guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. So this week I'm doing a spread for the 26th of February. I am leaving on vacation on the 29th, so I wanted to do something very summery and vacation-y. I pulled out a few Happy Planner books. This is the Squad Goals sticker book, and I know that there's some fun little beach inspiration stickers here and here. I was also looking at the summer bucket list. And here there's tons of like vacation stickers in here, and the colors are very playful and summery, so I thought that would be nice for vacations. And finally, I might use some of these Aloha Stitch stickers because there's some like tropical flowers in here. There's some really fun little quotes about, you know, vacation and patterns in here that might be really fun. All right, so the first thing I want to do is white out here my little Tinkerbell on the side, and maybe here where it says notes. And I'll also pull out a piece of wax paper here so that I can put my stickers on there. So let's start with this sticker book because I know that I saw one where it says travel plans. So let's start with this sticker. So since it's on the 29th, I'll put in my flight information in here. Let's see here, the Squad Girls. I kind of like this one a bit better. It's either this or I use the Aloha stickers. So let me see. Like this one's kind of cool with these, you know, leaf pattern. That kind of looks vacation-y. This is a cute one too with Stitch. Like this one says, choose adventure. That's fun. This sticker's cute, dreaming of paradise. Pull one of these little pink ones out just to stay in the same color range. This one's cute too. It has like this little border with flowers. Or is this one better? Well, they're both okay, so let me leave that there. And maybe this. That looks good, maybe for the margin. It could be nice to add some of these to the sheet. So I really like this one. And maybe this leaf here. Maybe this darker one could be nice. That's kind of pretty. And let's add these small ones. Maybe this one. Yeah, I think that's good. That gives us quite a lot of things to work with. That kind of looks nice there. So yeah, let's start with him in the margin. Like that. Let's see if we can find a little girl maybe laying on the beach. Trying to see what would look good with these colors. There's this one holding some kind of ice cream. I'll put her here and see. She's kind of cute too. Let's see what this looks like here. That looks nice too. So let's put her. Unless we put her and her. I think these are both cute. So let's keep both of those. And we can maybe take like a little pair of pink flip-flops. I think that's good. And let me see if I want to use a stitch. A bigger stitch maybe. Like this one's cute, it says happy. This is adorable too, it says chill vibes. Let's put that there. Okay, now I have this where it says chill vibes. I mean, I think that's cute there. And then maybe I should have these flowers coming up like this. I think that's cute, kind of looks tropical. I'm just gonna cut these. And then maybe we can use the scraps here and add one of these cute little flowers coming out like that. Yeah, that's adorable. And then let's see how we want to do this. I kind of think these two look really good together. So maybe, since my flight's here, then I'm thinking like maybe right there, and then have this on the 29th. That's my flight day. I kind of need a pink box. This is cute too. It says wild and free. Let's see how that looks. We want to put that somewhere. I do have an appointment. I can either use this box or this box. So let's use this box here. The wild and free right there. I'm checking into my hotel on this day. So let's do one box for there. Choose adventure. He's cute there. And Tuesday, one box here, one box there. Let me see what other boxes. This green one might be cute. Just to add another color. This is the day that my cruise begins. So I'm gonna need a box here, and I thought with a drink it might be cute. I have another quote here that says dreaming of paradise right here. Let me see what other boxes I can put here. This one's cute with Stitch. Let me see what other one I can find. Maybe this one's cute too. It has like a multicolored one, just to be a bit different. Yeah, I think that looks better. So we'll do that. And then maybe here with little Stitch. I think I'm gonna remove this one and put this maybe up there. And another purple one here maybe. Maybe bring that down here. Yeah, that looks good. And then let's see if we can add some of these girls. Like, that's cute. And then let's see if we can add these two girls. That's really adorable. And then let's add some flowers. A flower right there. And then maybe a flower right there. Very cute. So let's just cut these. And then I have one of these green leaves here. Maybe it'd be nice to have a little suitcase on my travel day. Right over this box, maybe? Maybe let's bring back this purple. So put a box here on Monday. And then it's missing a little tropical flower or something. How about a little pineapple? That kind of be cute. Very tropical. Yeah, that's adorable. I'd like to put maybe another girl. Not bad, I'll just move her over a little bit. I have this one too that says today. It brings back the girl. I think that looks good. And I had a little pair of pink flip-flops here. Should we put just some pink flip-flops right here? Because those are hers. And I have these cute little sunglasses. That could be cute to add in. They're kind of hard to get off the page. Where do I want to put that? Maybe here? Oh, it's so adorable. I love that. I saw some cute little quotes in here. Hooray for today. That's cute. Let's put that. hooray for today, because this is my travel day. I do have a car rental here, so maybe if I take off these suitcases, I need some room for my hotel and my car rental information. I think I'm gonna put this, and then my travel day little suitcase. All right, so now all that's left is to cut off here some flowers. I also need to punch a hole here, so I'm going to use my crocodile punch to do that. This is very easy. You just line up the hole here. There's like a guide and you punch it. That way you don't have to pull out like your big puncher. You can just use one of these. So yeah, that looks really good. So all that's left is to put it back in my planner. And there you go, guys. This is my vacation spread. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are going somewhere for March break. But stay tuned for next week. I'm going to continue my planner. If you want to see how I decorate next week's spread, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.